How to play Helldivers 2 on PS4. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this comprehensive video tutorial, I'll address and resolve all your queries and uncertainties regarding the gameplay of the Helldivers 2 on the PlayStation 4 console. If you're a dedicated fan of the Helldivers series, the anticipation for the release of the Helldivers 2 might have piqued your interest. You might be wondering whether it is feasible to enjoy this game on your PlayStation 4. To find out, you can either navigate to the PlayStation Store website as demonstrated in this informative video, or access the PlayStation Store directly through your PlayStation 4 console. Given that this is a recently launched game and it should be prominently displayed across the PlayStation Store, ensuring easy access. In the event that you encounter any difficulties locating the game, you can utilize the search feature to locate it swiftly. Upon accessing the game's page, you will find an array of the screenshots, videos showcasing gameplay, detailed descriptions, and additional content. When considering a purchase, you have the option to acquire the standard edition featuring the full game, or opt for the Super Citizen version, which includes the full game along with the various enticing bonuses. For seasoned players of the series, the latter option may prove to be a valuable investment. Now let's address the primary inquiry posed in the title of this video, which is it viable to play Helldivers 2 on the PlayStation 4 console? Upon closer inspection, you will observe that the page primarily showcases an image of the PlayStation 5. Furthermore, the information provided indicates the availability on the PlayStation 5 and PC platforms, and despite efforts to search for the potential PlayStation 4 edition or the scaled-down version of the Helldivers 2, no such options are available. Regrettably, given the current landscape of the gaming industry with the shift towards the next-generation consoles, newer titles are predominantly exclusive to the PlayStation 5, and this exclusivity extends to the Helldivers 2, making it unattainable for the PlayStation 4 users. To experience this title and many others, acquiring a PlayStation 5 is imperative. The objective of this video is not only to disseminate information but also to enlighten viewers about the hardware requirements of the Helldivers 2. It is likely that the developers determined the game's demands exceeding capabilities of the PlayStation 4, leading to its exclusive release for the PlayStation 5 and PC platforms. If this video has addressed your queries and provided clarity, I encourage you to show your support by liking and subscribing for the future insightful content. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and updates. See you in the next video.